Meaning of fella.
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 Fella. Fella is a colloquial term used as a shortened form of fellow. It is commonly used in informal situations to refer to a male acquaintance or friend. The word has its origins in the Old English language and has been used in various forms throughout history. Today, it is most commonly associated with British and Australian English and is often seen as a friendly and casual way of addressing someone. Overall, fella is simply a casual and friendly term used to refer to a male friend or acquaintance in everyday conversation.